Three simple prompt every Higgsfield AI user should use for a cool, output. Now remember, the cool prompt depends on what you're trying to make. So for the cool prompt, I will not suggest you to use Higgsfield. To generate prompt, what I will suggest you is use Gemini or Claude or ChatGPT. Claude is the best, but it takes a lot of generation and takes a lot of money. I like to go with free stuff, so I use Gemini, but it's up to you. And I just write three simple prompt every Higgsfield AI beginner should try for cool result. And for me, it showed me the slow dolly in reveal, and this is the prompt. The 360 hero orbit, this is the prompt for it. The subtle photo to video animation, this is a prompt. Now this is a cool prompt, but if you don't want to do the slow dolly in reveal or 360 hero orbit or photo to video animation, then these prompts are useless. And I can give you three cool prompt which is cool to me. If you don't want that, it's going to be useless for you. So what I want you to do is use any AI and on it just write three simple prompt every Higgsfield AI beginner should try for cool result in photo generation for cool background. You see how I added in photo generation for cool background. Over here, you want to add whatever you want to generate. All right, if it's video, write video. If it's photo, write photo. So I wanted to generate cool background for photo. So this is a prompt I gave. And I'm just going to enter it, and then it's going to give me the prompt for it. All right, look at this: cinematic night bouquet. I have the prompt. Eternal nature, I have the prompt. So that's how you guys can generate three cool prompt, and then you can just come here and use it. It's as simple as that. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.